Welcome to the channel here at Lucky Lou Outdoors. I'm John, and today I'm going to be showing you the install for the Vanasche Motorsports rear brake pedal and pad for my 2024 Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition. This will be the same between the Expedition model and the standard 901, and as far as I know, it's for all years as of right now. So, without further ado, let's get into this install. Here's a quick view of the parts themselves. So here's the arm. And of course, this is billet aluminum, real thick, pretty dang well built. And then here is the pad. I'll swap that out here for you. So here is that pad. And it looks like the same anodize as their pedals and a lot of the other accessories. It does have the set screws that you put in here to give you better traction with your boots on. So we're going to be putting those screws in as well and using the blue Loctite on those. All right, so here's the tools we're going to need. We're going to need a T45. That's going to be for this nut here. And then we're going to need a T30 because I'm going to take these nuts off to remove this cover so you can see a little bit better what I'm doing. And then we're going to need a needle nose and a 13 mil wrench for the back side of this guy because of course we do. There's a little nut on the back side. So we need to hold it still so we can use the T45 to loosen that thing up. So let's get started. All right, so you can see our brake lever here. See how it goes up and down there? What we're going to do is we're going to take the needle nose and we're going to pull the spring tension off, the spring tensioner here. We're going to pop that off. Then we're going to use our wrench on the back side here. If I can show you, there's a nut I'm touching with the tip of my finger right now. See that right there? So we're going to put the wrench on there, and then we're going to take that T45 and get the screw out, and this whole assembly is going to come out in one piece. So let's make that happen. Okay, so now that we have this off, what we're going to do is we're going to move the spring, this plunger, and the stop bolt, the bottom out bolt, and we're going to transfer those parts over to the new lever and get those torqued down. I'll start with the low-hanging fruit first. This little guy, I work my way across. All right, so now we're going to reinstall the cover and the bolts, which holds the plunger and the cylinder and everything in place. That concludes the install for the arm itself. Now let's put the pad on. First things first, blue Loctite on both of those main screws. We're going to tighten that down with the number 3 Allen. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put blue thread locker on each one of these before we put those set screws in. And we'll wipe off the excess with a paper towel here in a minute. There's a close-up. Looks pretty darn nice, I'd say. Everything's ready to go. So that wraps up our install on the Vanasche Motorsports brake lever and brake lever pad. If you have any questions, as always, drop them in the comment section for me. I read every comment and respond to all those that I can. Of course, if I miss anything, let us know down there as well so everybody, including myself, the community, can know. Something else I got for you. So I reached out to Andrew at Vanasche Motorsports, and he is providing us a discount code. I get no kickbacks from this or anything, but I was able to secure you the code. So if you're buying over $100 worth of stuff from him for the 901, use the code LuckyLoon at checkout, and you'll get 10% off your stuff. So again, I don't get any kickbacks from that, but I was able to get that for you, so definitely use it. And of course, let them know that I sent you. So again, and as always, have fun, stay safe, and get outdoors.